Okay, so we're here. We're going to talk about this is a remedy, herbal remedy that you can use for strep throat. And I've used it. I've used it with my family, and it does work. I know there's a lot of things on YouTube and on the computer, different places or whatever that there's we tried different things. Gargling and everything is good. In reference to using like salt and vinegar, that's good as well. But this is something that like literally works. And this is strong as strep throat, because you have remedies for sore throat, but this is for strep throat. And it's only for people that are not able to get to the doctor, or maybe they don't like to use pharmaceutical medication. And this is just a natural way that can actually help you. So here what we're using is we're going to be using honey, we're going to use cayenne pepper, and we're going to use the garlic cloves. So basically I'm going to go ahead and make this. I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is use the honey, and you're going to use a tablespoon of honey. So you use a tablespoon of honey. And you just try to get the rest of that honey out of there. So I'm just going to leave it down like that so it'll stay. And then the next thing you're going to use is a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And you can use more if you want, but let's see. And I'm going to have to get 4 teaspoons because I got too hot. I found my fourth, my 4th teaspoon. So like I said, after that with the honey, you're gonna get a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And you're gonna put that in there. And you're just going to mix that together. It's back here. Okay, so you're going to mix those together. And then the next thing you're going to use is the garlic cloves. Okay, so what you can use for the garlic cloves, you can use 3 to 5 of them. I use 5, but you can use 3. I think 5 is probably the best. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then of course you want to get the paper off. Oops. So that's 4. These are kind of big. These are actually really big, so I'll probably use one of these. So these are kind of big too. Okay. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the paper off of these, and then right here I have the grater, and we're gonna use the grater to grate them right here in the mixture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right back with these already with the paper off, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, so now I'm back. I've gotten all the paper off of the cloves. And what you're going to do is you're going to grate it. Now you can use a garlic press, but I don't have one. So what you're gonna do is just do just like that, right over it. It's a little bit hard to do. So what you And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grate all 5 of these and take all your excess and put it inside of the mixture. So once I'm finished doing all of these, then I'll come back. Okay, so basically I've grated the garlic, and what you do after that is you just mix everything together. It's like so, like that. Okay. And then also the bigger chunks, then you just take like the knife. Like some bigger chunks in here. Let's see. That's what I do. Just chop it up. Because the grater, I didn't get it all. So. But then, so what you do, once you're done with that, you're going to mix all of this together. And basically, what it is that the honey, okay, so as I was saying, you continue to mix it up. And basically how it works is the honey, it basically, it coats your throat. And the cayenne pepper is like a, I don't know really how to say it, but basically it brings the blood it basically brings the blood to an area that it touches. So when it touches basically the throat, it's going to bring the blood there, which is going to basically trigger your immune system. And the garlic, it works, it basically works for the immune system as well. And also too, I don't know if you know, but garlic, try to keep cutting this down, garlic, 4 cloves of garlic is equal to 1 dose of penicillin. So garlic is basically like like nature's natural remedy for, it's like an antibiotic basically. So basically what you do too is that once you've made this mixture, then you're gonna take, basically you would take a half a teaspoon every hour. So you just take a half a teaspoon, and just a regular half a teaspoon. I got all this stuff on my hand, but just like a half a teaspoon like this, and you take it and you swallow it down. You're gonna swallow it down in your throat. You don't have to chew it or anything like that. Just swallow it down, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna coat your throat. And so for the first half an hour, you don't want to drink or eat anything. You'll wait till maybe like a half an hour later. So basically, what you can do is, so for example, say you're gonna start at 1 p.m. So you take a half a teaspoon, like I said, of this. Take a half a teaspoon. You swallow this down, and then for a half an hour, you just let it stay in your throat. And it's not gonna taste the greatest, but if you're in pain, you're gonna be fine. And after half an hour, so like maybe about 1:30, if you want to eat and drink, you can do that, because you want to give it time to basically work on your throat. And then after that, like at 2 o'clock, which would be an hour later, then you go ahead and take your next dose. So you want to be taking this like every hour, every waking hour while you're awake. And also, and then that would be for the day. And usually this works, it takes about 24 to 48 hours. When it was really bad for me, it took 2 days, like 48 hours. So don't think it's going to be, you know, right when you're taking it, oh, it should be feeling better. Don't continue to take it, because what happens is people, they don't want to take it because it doesn't taste the greatest. But like I said, it works. This is something that works, and I'm talking about strep throat. Strep throat is painful. So to find something that is natural is amazing for me. And I just wanted to share that with you all. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I can help out the best I can with that. But like I said, I basically just showed you exactly what to do. And you know, like I said, just mix it up. And, you know, and take it. And it works basically, like I said, for like an antibiotic. So if you can, especially if you can catch this early enough, then you can catch it where you don't, you know, you don't end up getting the fever and all the other stuff that comes with strep throat, or just getting sick. Because this is not just, you don't have to just use this for strep throat, but I use this also for just regular, once you start feeling like you're sick, then you can make this mixture and it'll knock it out before you even get that fever or anything else. So like I said, if you have any questions, just give us a comment below, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.